Hey guys, let me show you how to remove media upload on Snapchat. So after you open the Snapchat app like this now, you can tap on this gallery icon to upload the image, or you can upload the video, or you can use this box to snap a picture or a video. I'll just take a picture now. After you take a picture like this now, you can use this picture now to customize the picture, or you can just go ahead now and swipe to right to add some filter. After you finish customizing your picture or your video, now don't tap on this send button. Don't tap on this send button. Now go ahead and remove the and close the Snapchat and remove the Snapchat from the minimize section. So now go ahead now and open the Snapchat app again. After you open the Snapchat app again, now it will give you the last image or the last video that you closed the Snapchat on it. Here is it now. All you have to do now, tap on this send button. From there, now go ahead now and select the person you want to send him. I'll choose this one and then tap on this send button. So now you send the image without any media upload. If you go back to your camera, so as you can see now, there is no any media upload. And that's it guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and share.